क्या आपने खाना खाया? डिड यू ईट? डिड यू ईट? क्या आपने अच्छी नींद ली? डिड यू स्लीप वेल? डिड यू स्लीप वेल? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? क्या वह कल आया था? Did he come yesterday? Did he come yesterday? क्या आपने मुझे फोन किया? Did you call me? Did you call me? क्या आपने अपना काम पूरा किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? आप कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? क्या आपने फिल्म का आनंद लिया? Did you enjoy the movie? Did you enjoy the movie? आपने जल्दी क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave early? Why did you leave early? क्या आप उनसे मिले? Did you meet him? Did you meet him? आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? आपने ये कैसे किया? How did you do that? How did you do that? क्या आपने खबर सुनी? Did you hear the news? Did you hear the news? क्या वे पार्टी में आए थे? Did they come to the party? Did they come to the party? क्या आपने डॉक्टर को देखा? Did you see the doctor? Did you see the doctor? आपने आज क्या किया? What did you do today? What did you do today? क्या कल बारिश हुई थी? Did it rain yesterday? Did it rain yesterday? क्या आपने किराने का सामान खरीदा? Did you buy the groceries? Did you buy the groceries? आपने चाबियां कहाँ रखी? Where did you put the keys? Where did you put the keys? क्या आपने उसकी मदद की? Did you help him? Did you help him? क्या आपने घर की सफाई किया? Did you clean the house? Did you clean the house? आप क्यों रोए? Why did you cry? Why did you cry? क्या आपको मेरा संदेश मिला? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? क्या आपने किताब पढ़ी? Did you read the book? Did you read the book? क्या आपने उससे बात की? Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him? उसने तुम्हें क्यों थप्पड़ मारा? Why did he slap you? Why did he slap you? क्या आपने दरवाजा बंद किया? Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? क्या आपने रात का खाना बनाया? Did you make dinner? Did you make dinner? उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? क्या आपने पौधों में पानी दिया? Did you water the plants? Did you water the plants? क्या आपने यात्रा का आनंद लिया? Did you enjoy the trip? Did you enjoy the trip? आपने कार कहाँ पार्क की? Where did you park the car? वेयर डिड यू पार्क द कार? आप वहाँ कैसे पहुँचे? हाउ डिड यू गेट देयर? हाउ डिड यू गेट देयर? क्या आपने उन्हें आमंत्रित किया? डिड यू इनवाइट देम? डिड यू इनवाइट देम? क्या आपने कांच तोड़ा? डिड यू ब्रेक द ग्लास? डिड यू ब्रेक द ग्लास? क्या आपने परियोजना पूरी की? डिड यू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट? डिड यू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट? आपने आज क्या सीखा? व्हाट डिड यू लर्न टुडे? व्हाट डिड यू लर्न टुडे? क्या आप कुछ भूल गए? डिड यू फॉरगेट समथिंग? डिड यू फॉरगेट समथिंग? क्या आपने पानी पिया? डिड यू ड्रिंक वाटर? डिड यू ड्रिंक वाटर? क्या आपने वह आवाज सुनी? डिड यू हियर दैट साउंड? डिड यू हियर दैट साउंड? क्या आपने पाठ समझा? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द लेसन? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द लेसन? यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? क्या आपने खिड़की खोली? Did you open the window? Did you open the window? क्या आपने कुत्ते को खाना दिया? Did you feed the dog? Did you feed the dog? उसने क्या पहना था? What did she wear? What did she wear? क्या आपने दुकान बंद कर दी? Did you close the shop? Did you close the shop? क्या आपने अपनी दवाई ली? Did you take your medicine? Did you take your medicine? आप उससे कहाँ मिले थे? Where did you meet her? Where did you meet her? क्या आपने अपना बटुआ खो दिया? Did you lose your wallet? Did you lose your wallet? वह क्यों चला गया? Why did he leave? Why did he leave? आपने इसके बारे में क्या सोचा? What did you think about it? What did you think about it? क्या आपने अपना बैग पैक किया? Did you pack your bag? Did you pack your bag? क्या आपने फिल्म देखी? Did you see the movie? Did you see the movie? क्या आपको ठंड लगी? Did you feel cold? Did you feel cold? आपने रात के खाने में क्या बनाया? What did you cook for dinner? What did you cook for dinner? क्या आपने बिल का भुगतान किया? Did you pay the bill? Did you pay the bill? आपने मुझे क्यों फोन किया? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? क्या आपने मैच जीता? Did you win the match? Did you win the match? आपने वो ड्रेस कहाँ से खरीदी? Where did you buy that dress? Where did you buy that dress? क्या आप मेरा जन्मदिन भूल गए? Did you forget my birthday? Did you forget my birthday? क्या आपको अपनी चाबियां मिल गई? Did you find your keys? Did you find your keys? आपने समस्या कैसे हल की? Why did you solve the problem? Why did you solve the problem? क्या आपने नया रेस्टोरेंट आजमाया? Did you try the new restaurant? Did you try the new restaurant? क्या आपने कंप्यूटर ठीक किया? Did you fix the computer? Did you fix the computer? क्या आपने अपनी छुट्टियों का आनंद लिया? Did you enjoy your vacation? डिड यू एंजॉय योर वेकेशन? आपने दुकान से क्या खरीदा? What did you buy from the store? What did you buy from the store? क्या आपने कार धोई? Did you wash the car? Did you wash the car? आप दोपहर के भोजन के लिए कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go for lunch? Where did you go for lunch? क्या आपने ईमेल भेजी? Did you send the email? Did you send the email? क्या आपने संगीत का आनंद लिया? Did you enjoy the music? Did you enjoy the music? क्या आपको नौकरी मिली? Did you get a job? Did you get a job? आप मुझे क्या बताना चाहते थे? What did you want to tell me? What did you want to tell me? क्या आपने तस्वीर ली? Did you take a picture? Did you take a picture? क्या आपने परीक्षा पूरी की? Did you finish the exam? Did you finish the exam? क्या आपने अपने माता पिता से मुलाकात की? Did you visit your parents? Did you visit your parents? आपने उसे आखिरी बार कब देखा? When did you see him last? When did you see him last? क्या आपको उपहार पसंद आया? Did you like the gift? Did you like the gift? क्या आपको पैकेज मिला? Did you receive the package? Did you receive the package? क्या आपने प्लम्बर को बुलवाया? Did you call the plumber? Did you call the plumber? आपको इसके बारे में कैसे पता चला? How did you know about this? How did you know about this? क्या आपने दस्तावेज पर हस्ताक्षर किए? Did you sign the documents? Did you sign the document? उन्होंने क्या कहा? What did they say? What did they say? आपको ये जानकारी कहाँ से मिली? Where did you get this information? Where did you get this information? आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? क्या आपने कुछ नया सीखा? Did you learn something new? Did you learn something new? आपने इसे कहाँ छुपाया? Where did you hide it? Where did you hide it? क्या आपने नियम तोड़े? Did you break the rules? Did you break the rules? आपने नाश्ते में क्या खाया? What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? क्या आपने वह फिल्म देखी? Did you see that movie? Did you see that movie? क्या आपने सुना कि उसने क्या कहा? Did you hear what he said? Did you hear what he said? क्या आप आज टहलने गए? Did you go walk today? Did you go walk today? तुम वहाँ क्यों गए थे? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? गाइज आज आपने मेरे साथ बहुत ही अच्छी प्रैक्टिस की। ऐसे ही रोज़ मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में बेल आइकन की घंटी को प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारे हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। हम मिलते हैं आपसे किसी एक और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।